Okay, so this is how you charge your Prius battery. This is generation 1. This is where your high output cables go to the relay, and after the relay they come out here. So I'm at 573 now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch these over, charge 2 cells at a time. You can see my voltage is at 1494 and climbing. Okay. Now this battery measured at the high voltage point was around 220. Okay, what it does is this whole circuit, whether it's series or in parallel, I'm dyslexic when it comes to electricity, you pull that out, that breaks the circuit over there. That's your little service switch. But this is where you can measure. So I'm at 15.4 now and climbing. I'm going to let it get to about 15.6. And I'm moving these cables. Simply moving the cables. I have the voltmeter. I have a computer charger, 19.5 computer charger. Charging this thing. I cut it, hooked it to these alligator cables. See, I'm at 15.6 now, so I'm going to move it over. Charge 2 more cells, and you'll see it's 19.5 when it's not connected. When it's connected, now it's got a load on it. And I'm at 14.93, so I'm going to let that go up to 15.6. And then I'm going to move it back down. Now this was at around 520 or 220. That's not enough to crank this thing. Oops. And I'm going to take a reading right now. See where we're at. So you just cables there. Oops, we gotta put the gauge on 300. So now we're up to 273. I was at 220. Now we're at 273 overall voltage. There's your 300 volt. This is a cheap Hyper Tough that I bought with a Walmart card that my dad sent me. So putting it to good use. So we come back down here, and we're just gonna keep moving it all the way down until we got a good charge across the battery, somewhere up around the 300 volt.